Product review of this wig right here is a Lula hair. It's from Lula Hair. I love this hair. This wig right here has been with me for a year, and as you can see, I take very good care of her. It's a synthetic hair headband wig. So when you have synthetic hair, you must take care of it, and it will take care of you. All right. I love burgundy. Burgundy is my favorite color. So let me take her down so you can see how she looks. Each time I get a wig, I wash first to take off the shine, and then if I'm wearing her, I do wash afterwards and just braid her up. Synthetic wigs do require a sheen synthetic spray to keep the fizzies down, but that's about it. This synthetic wig is gorgeous. What's her name again? Her name is Lulu. Lulu. She has two combs right here in the front. Let's see. One in the back, Lulu? No, not one in the back. But that's all right. Look at this color. See, synthetic wigs, when they start looking a little rough, I like them the most. You know, because if I can still control the frizzies, she's still good with me. So she's been with me a year, and I can't wait to show you what I do with her. Let me try her on. Oh, and she doesn't have, maybe, since I've had her for a minute though, they might have went to Velcro. She has a lasp. I don't know, what do you call this? But anywho, we'll make it do what it do. I'll make it do what it do. I put my two combs in first because of how I have it braided underneath. I go to stop it so the wig don't slide back. And I pull it to the back. Now, being that she don't have a comb, I can't brace her underneath, so I would brace her with a bobby pin. See how pretty she looks already? And I haven't even put the straps on. Let me put some straps on and see if I can get it. Get it. She's an easy wear and go. You know? Just all how you take care of her. And I don't like these hooks though. Velcro is much better. But I got one hooked. Okay, I'm working up a sweat again. Working up a sweat. But she's pretty, huh? Especially when you add some sheen spray. She's light. She got the highlights. Then you can put your color band on here. I like to part my hair down the middle. So if I'm wearing a headband, it gives it a little bit more definition. You know? See how pretty she is? She's nice and full. She don't shed. And I haven't cut her. No need to cut her, you know? Unless it knots up, but she hasn't done that. My earring. Okay, now I'm going to show you my favorite style. Let me see if I can pull it off. Get me. There you go. Give me something to tie her up. One of my favorite styles. She makes the best high ponytail. I'm not even going to tie her up. You see? She makes the best high ponytail. Whichever color you choose. Now, you do need to fasten it in the back, you know, since it doesn't have a comb. But she makes a gorgeous high ponytail. One of my favorite styles. Then all the highlights come through.